Thanks for tuning in to the Bondo Brothers. Today, we're back on Project Chief. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for the ultimate early Bronco content. All right. Thanks for watching. Whoa.
Nice gap in the back, right here. We got a nice gap right here, but between the fender on the door, oh my God. Hey Dunk, where you get those parts?
I met this guy in El Monte. He sells these parts called Dannycorn. And he said they were top notch. I should have just got them from Wild Horses like I always do.
Oh.
Dannycorn, don't buy them.
Fucking sucks.
Dannycorn. In on a little secret. You order brand new doors from the vendors. If it sticks out really far down here on the bottom and you got a nice gap everywhere else and you hate it, what you need to do is drill these two spot welds out right here and here. Here and here, so there's 4 of them total. Be careful. Get the door where you like it. Slowly bend it in or out however you need to. Then clamp these two and weld them up when you have it right where you want it. Woo! 1 tip from West Side. Today, we're back on Project Chief. We're going to be welding up the floor pans and whatever else we can get finished. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Whoa!